Question 5. In an experiment, carbon monoxide was passed over red-hot copper oxide. Carbon dioxide so produced weighed 0.88 gram and the weight of copper oxide was reduced by 0.3232 gram. Calculate atomic weight of carbon. According to the question, copper oxide acts as oxidizing agent and it oxidizes carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. The equation for the reaction can be written as CO plus O2 in the presence of CuO forms CO2. Since copper oxide acts as oxidizing agent, the decrease in weight of copper oxide is equal to the weight of oxygen that is used up in the oxidation of carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. Therefore, weight of oxygen can be written as 0.3232. Therefore, weight of oxygen can be written as 0.3232 grams. Let the atomic weight of carbon be W grams. Weight of carbon dioxide produced is 0.88 grams. Therefore, moles of carbon dioxide produced is equal to weight of carbon dioxide, that is 0.88 grams, divided by molecular weight of carbon dioxide, which is equal to W plus 32 grams. Moles of oxygen is equal to weight of oxygen, that is 0.3232 grams, divided by molecular weight of oxygen, that is 32 grams, and this is equal to 0.0101 moles. Applying principle of atom conservation on carbon atoms, we get moles of carbon monoxide is equal to moles of carbon dioxide. Therefore, moles of carbon monoxide can be written as 0.88 divided by W plus 32 moles. Applying principle of atom conservation on oxygen atoms, we get moles of carbon monoxide plus 2 into moles of oxygen is equal to 2 into moles of carbon dioxide. This is equal to 0.88 divided by W plus 32 plus 2 into 0.0101. This is equal to 2 into 0.88 divided by W plus 32. Solving this equation, the value of W is approximately equal to 12. Therefore, atomic weight of carbon is equal to 12.